You say, I'm here, present, but I keep skipping into fantasies and imagination. I loop in it, I get out, then I try again. First of all, I see you, and this is already beautiful, because noticing the loop means you are not fully inside it anymore. The mind loves to dream, to imagine, to jump into what ifs. That's just the way of playing. But the moment you say, I see it, you are already standing in something deeper. And yes, maybe you will sleep again. But also, you will return. Not because you force yourself, but because something in you is already awake. So don't worry. Be kind with your humanness. Keep coming back and smile every time you do. Because you are not broken, you are remembering.